Hi guys, my name is Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My channel will be all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. And by the way, this is my second video. And for those who watched the first one, I highly appreciate it and thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do and also like and share. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how I clean my living room and organize it. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, this is my living room and this is how it normally looks like every morning. Being that I have a 2-year-old toddler who always wants to play with everything at once. Those of you who have toddlers can relate to this. I usually start by bringing out the toy box, then pick up the toys and arrange them in this toy box. I chose this clear storage box because it's easier for him to spot the toys, then go for the ones that he wants to play with. Before I start to clean, I'll first of all fetch water that I'll be using to clean the seats and mop the floor. This is the product that I use to clean the seats. Being that my seats are chocolate brown, it normally helps me a lot and also it smells so nice. What I do is I take about 1.5 cup full of the product, then lather it with water to foam. I use the foam and a dry towel to clean the seats. That way, the seats don't get wet and also it smells so nice and cleans so well. I prefer to go seat by seat. I don't just remove all pillows at once. I just do one seat, get done with it, and then go to the next. That way, I always find that it makes my work easier and a bit faster. I use this other product which is also a surface cleaner to clean the tables and the stools. For the TV, I always use a dry cloth. It's always advisable to use a dry cloth or a towel or even a cleaning tissue to clean the TV. That way, you won't be left with those little pieces of fiber. Do not use wipes or a wet cloth or even a wet towel to clean a TV. Just use something dry to clean a television. I first of all vacuum the carpet to remove loose dirt before mopping the floors. I then move the seats to mop under them. I don't normally do this every day, but I tend to do it after every 2 days or twice to thrice a week, more so because of my son. Because after playing with the toys and even feeding him, I always find it necessary to mop under the seats, because at times you might find even foodstuffs, even toys under the seats. So I always find it necessary to mop under the seats after every 2 days or even 3. Our house is an open kitchen, that's why you're able to see some parts of the kitchen, but the part that I'm working on right now, that's our living room area. I'm actually done mopping the floor, so what's remaining is just arranging, taking everything back to its right place, then I'll be done. Normal day, this is how our living room normally looks like. That is before the baby comes and tampers with everything and puts everything wherever he wants. So guys, That's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, subscribe and share. I'll highly appreciate it. Thank you. Until next time.